Hello, and thank you for joining the Tropical Atlantic and Marine Weather Briefing, issued on Thursday, February 1st, 2024. And this forecast is going to be valid through Tuesday, February 6th, 2024. And this presentation is being prepared by Karen Rosado Vasquez. Here is a summary of the features that we currently have. There's an Atlantic gale warning, and what we're having is west to north near gale to gale force winds, with seas increasing to 20 foot. And this is happening ahead and behind a cold front that is north of 24 north between 60 and 72 west. And this event is ongoing and is expected to end Friday night into Saturday. Another event that we are expecting is going to be a Gulf of Mexico into the northwestern Caribbean possible gale warning. And what we are expecting to happen is that low pressure will develop along the Gulf of Mexico with a cold front. And as this low pressure move northeast, there's going to be a strong to gale force winds and seas to 19 feet. And this is going to happen ahead and behind the cold front over the Gulf and the Northwest Caribbean. And there's going to be a short period of gale force in the Panhandle area. And this is going to happen late night, and then winds are Saturday, and then winds are going to decrease, and then they're going to start again on Sunday over the central Gulf of Mexico, where the gale warning is expected again, and then this is going to keep moving east-southeast, spreading across the Florida Straits, the Yucatan Channel, and the Northwest Caribbean. This is our current surface analysis, and we have a low pressure over the western North Atlantic, and there is a gale warning that I just talked about it. We also have, as this low keeps moving east southeast, then the gale warning is going to keep moving also, so that we have developing gales in this area. We have a weak low pressure with a trough that's extend over the area, and this is going to dissipate today. We have a weak high pressure over the southeast United States, and this is taking control over the Gulf of Mexico. Looking 24 hours ahead on 12C Friday, February 2nd, we have the low pressure continues to move east-southeast before starting to turning north. And then we have the gale warning behind the front. We have also the high pressure that is going to move over the Florida area. And then seas in the north central Atlantic are going to be up to 20 feet. On Saturday, conditions are going to be good or better. So the Gulf of Mexico, there's going to be some moderate winds southeast, and then the Caribbean Sea, there's some light winds, and then this cold front continues to move to the southeast, and then we have another cold front in the area, but there's not much in association with it. It is on Sunday, February 4, when conditions start to deteriorate in the Gulf of Mexico. As I mentioned before, there is possible gales, but this is going to be a short-lived gale event in the panhandle, near the panhandle of Florida. And this is the low pressure that we are expecting to develop. And there's a lot of uncertainty on the track of this low pressure, but the cold front is going to move across the area. It is on Monday, February 5th, when we are expecting the gale to develop over the central Gulf of Mexico, and we don't have surface features in this map since this is beyond the 72 hours, but here we're seeing how the winds are going to be from the west, and then the seas are going to be around 14 feet. And as it continues to move east-southeast, then we see the near gale force winds spreading more, and then we are seeing how the Florida Straits, the Yucatan Channel, the Northwest Caribbean Sea, and also some areas of the uh, coast of the Northeast Florida are also being affected. And there's going to be some areas in the Yucatan Channel that can see waves as high as 19 feet. In summary, for the Atlantic, we have the gale warning associated with a cold front that is southwest of Bermuda and a low pressure associated with it. And this is going to continue to spread to the east through Friday, and conditions will start improving Friday night into Saturday. And the next big event that we are expecting, this is probably going to be the strongest of this season so far. And this is going to be the chance of possible strong to gale force winds. And this is going to happen across the Gulf of Mexico, the Straits of Florida, Yucatan Channel, and the Northwest Caribbean beginning late Saturday night. And it's very important that you continue to check our marine forecast as conditions continue to evolve, and you will see the latest forecast on our page. Thank you for watching the Tropical Atlantica Marine Weather Briefing. Our next briefing is going to be issued on Sunday, February 6, 2024 by 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you for tuning in.